What's up guys, Doe here again, bringing you another tutorial on like an explosion sound effect for when a guy shoots and it makes it seem all epic and stoof. So this is a promo that I edited. I edited it really quickly. Yeah, so I uploaded it today, the same day I'm doing the tutorial. So let's listen to what I'm doing a tutorial over. So it's coming up. Heard him shoot. That sound effect, how it was all really deep and crazy and stoof. There it is again. So now you have kind of a idea of what we're doing a tutorial over. So let's go into After Effects. I already have this clip edited out and everything. I added Twixtor and I added one effect. Optic compensation. I didn't add a swoosh. I'm gonna add a swoosh sound effect real quick. Oh my god, my mouse. I need a new one. This is awful. Swoosh. Oh, by the way, the clips were from O Creative. I got them from a weekly edits contest. Probably use a heavy swoosh. Okay, so take the heavy swoosh and open up the waveform, audio waveform. So it kind of starts to build up here. So here it's over. So I need to time stretch it. So time stretch factor. I don't know. Alone. 7, I guess. I don't know. Actually, I need to stretch it a little more. Time. I don't know how it'll sound because whenever you time stretch, it kind of makes the audio all weird. So what I'm going to do is actually I want to preview it first. See how it sounds. I need to add a little bit of bass. Little bit of bass. Maybe like 40. I'll bring down the treble by like 40. So now if we run preview it, I add like 8. And so we have our swoosh sound effect. Now right when he shoots, this is what the actual tutorial is over. Right when he shoots, you want to take Explosion Duel. I will have a download link for it in the description in case you don't have it. It is in almost every editing pack though. You want to take it, and you want to, right when he shoots, up the waveform, and that's going to happen. So I'm going to get this like 10 decibels, and I'm going to invest in a new mouse or mouse pad. Take the bass and go to 100, maybe -50 treble, and we will see how good this sounds. Actually, I want this to last a little longer because I want it to be like that. So I like the way it sounds, so I'm going to keep it like this, but you can, if you want more bass, you can just take this, Command D, bring up the bass up a lot, like to 100. Like that. And yeah, so that was a really easy tutorial, but you're going to need the download in the description. So actually, I'm going to preview this entire thing, let you guys watch it for fun. I didn't spend any time doing this, so I don't want to hear in like the comments, oh, you're shit at editing. Because I spent literally 2 minutes editing this. If even. Probably half of it was just like me previewing to see if it was okay. was it. And I would add the gun sound effects, but I don't know what the gun is called because I can't play Xbox anymore. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. By the way, if you want to know what this effect is called, it is called optic compensation. Optics compensation. That is it. So yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want the color correction too, it is in my CC pack. I believe it is called Screamo by me, and I added curves because I forgot to do it. So yeah, that's been my tutorial. Heads up, I thank you for 160. I'm making a chill edit just in my free time, but I think I'm gonna have to edit, or I'm going to have to edit obey, can you obey COTC entry. So be looking out for that, and I have to do a couple episodes for some people. So yeah, thanks for watching this, and make sure to leave some feedback because I love feedback. Bye bye.